guys, today I learned something new and I wanted to share it with you. Sometimes when you are creating the mapping of a request of a customer, for example, if they want to add a field to a dashboard or to a report or to a screen or something like that, you have to consider if the field is contained in the table or if it is an external field. If it's external, that means that you have to calculate that field and you have to consider that in the quote that you send to the customer. Because besides creating the dashboard and deploying it, you are going to calculate, meaning taking the information out from other tables or doing math and operations to get that data. So I'm going to share this example. I have a customer that wants to print this final operation into a report, and if you go here to field help and you go to technical details, you can find here, for example, if I click here in job, as you can see, job num is contained in the table because it's not external. Group also is contained in the table, product group. But if I click here in final operation, as you can see, this is an external field. That means that is not contained in any table, and we would make extra research and the developer is going to take longer to print this in the report. So I hope this information is useful, and remember, when doing the mapping, check in if the fields are external or not. Bye!